Hello, my unboxing friends. I do hope you are well today. My name is Christine, and I am back with another unboxing for Eyescream. Now, if you're not familiar, Eyescream is a beauty skincare box, but it's mostly makeup. So if you are a makeup lover and would like to get some really nice makeup, this one is for you. Now, I have the bag, which cost me $12.50. That's right, $12.50. You get 3 to 4 full-size products. There's always a palette in every bag. Now, they also have a box that runs $21 per month, but if you prepay for like 3 months, 6 months, then boxes get a little bit cheaper. So that's always nice. Look how cute this little mailer is. I am excited to see what's inside. So let's get cracking. Ooh. As things fall down. Okay, so we're going to open this right up. And here is what it looks like inside. So the first thing I am pulling out is by Bella Pierre Cosmetics, a Super Gloss Everyday. Oh, that looks like a really pretty color. There you go. So if that's the color, I like it. So let's see. Now, I usually don't do glosses. I haven't like forever, but you know, if I can find a gloss that, oh, that's pretty, that performs like a lipstick, that is very pretty. We have a nice big doe foot. Wait, I can't do it in the camera. Just add a little shine to my lips. Yeah. It doesn't feel sticky. I like it. I like it very much. So yay, first one, a success. Oh wait, I know there's a card in here. Let me find the card. Uh-oh, I don't have a card. They forgot to put a card in the bag this time, so I don't know what the values of these are, but I can guarantee you, you are getting your money's worth with this bag. So the next thing is a Lip Perfection lip liner in the color In Love. That's a nice mauve-y color. That's my kind of color. I like it. Next thing, by Mirabella Eye, Jade, a crayon. Uh-oh. Well, I am wearing green today, so I am not afraid of green. So let's see what this looks like. Oh, look at that color. Let's see what this is about. Urgh. Does it have a seal on it? I can't get it off. Does it spin off? Okay, I can't get the cap off. I can't get the cap off. I can't get the cap off. Well, I am sure it's very nice if it has anything to do with that, and I will figure out how to get that cap off. And then the last thing in here is the palette. So let's see what we've got. Now, I did see someone else unbox this, and I really liked the palette. Okay. This is Emerald by Beauty Creations. It does have a mirror. Wow, those are great colors. It has a mirror right there. I'm going to cover that up. Look at those colors. Now those colors scream autumn. Those are nice. So let's, oh my, look at that. That's it right there. Yeah, it looks like it blends very easily, nicely pigmented. Yeah. So yeah, I'm happy with that. So we have our palette, which comes in every bag and box. We have the jade crayon that I cannot get open for the life of me. And we have a lip pencil in a nice mauve color and the gloss that I like. I'm surprised, but I am very happy with this bag. I am telling you, I have been happy with every ice cream bag I have received. So I am actually thinking of canceling another bag that I unbox here on my channel and take that money and put it towards the larger ice cream box so that I get 5 to 7 items instead of 3 to 4. That is what I'm thinking of doing. We'll see what I do. You're going to have to watch out for that. But in the meantime, I am so glad you came by here today. I do hope you have a great day, and I will see you soon.